The ground beneath our feet seems solid, unshakable, and reliable. But what if we told you that something massive is shifting beneath the Earth's surface, and scientists have no idea what it is? Seismic readings are showing strange, unexplained movements, and some geologists believe this could change everything we know about the planet. So, what's happening beneath us? Why is it moving? And what does it mean for the future of our planet? Let's dive in. Over the past few years, seismic activity has detected something mysterious moving deep within the Earth's mantle. These movements are not earthquakes, not volcanic activity, and certainly not anything we've seen before. Unlike tectonic plate shifts, which scientists understand well, these movements don't fit any known pattern. Tectonic plates move slowly over the mantle, pushed and pulled by convection currents of molten rock beneath the surface. This process drives earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even the gradual drift of continents. But the movement we're witnessing now is different. It doesn't behave like a normal tectonic shift, nor does it seem to be associated with magma rising toward the surface. Researchers have noticed that something huge, possibly thousands of miles wide, is shifting beneath the surface. It's slow, steady, and eerily silent. It doesn't trigger any earthquakes, yet it's powerful enough to be detected by seismographs worldwide. The unsettling part? It's moving in ways that defy our current understanding of Earth's interior. Scientists analyzing deep Earth data have found anomalies in seismic waves, unexpected delays and distortions in how these waves travel through the planet's layers. These anomalies suggest the presence of a vast, dense mass that is slowly shifting within the mantle. But what could be causing this? One of the most fascinating theories is that this mysterious movement could be the remnants of an ancient lost continent, pushing its way back up from deep within the Earth. We know that over millions of years, land masses have sunk and risen due to geological forces. Some continents have broken apart, while others have collided and formed new mountain ranges. But in rare cases, parts of the Earth's crust may have sunk so deeply into the mantle that they were thought to be lost forever. Could we now be witnessing the slow return of one of these ancient landmasses? Some researchers argue that massive, dense slabs of ancient crust could be resurfacing, disturbing the mantle in ways never seen before. These could be remnants of ancient tectonic plates that were forced deep into the Earth millions or even billions of years ago. If true, this discovery could reshape our understanding of Earth's geological history. But what if there's something more? Another shocking possibility. A massive underground ocean, possibly larger than all the surface oceans combined. Scientists have long speculated that vast water reservoirs exist deep within the Earth's mantle, locked inside minerals in the form of hydrated rock. Some seismic signals suggest that as the mantle shifts, these hidden water sources could be moving as well, creating enormous underground waves capable of shifting the planet's internal structure. Imagine an ocean so deep beneath us that it has never seen sunlight, never been touched by human exploration, and yet it might hold more water than the entire Atlantic. If such an ocean exists, it could play a crucial role in Earth's geological processes, acting as a buffer for heat and pressure in the mantle. But what if it holds more than just water? Could ancient microbial life forms, preserved for millions of years, be waiting to be discovered? If we found living organisms in these hidden depths, it could revolutionize our understanding of life on Earth, and even reshape our search for life on other planets. The implications are staggering. If water exists that deep within the Earth, it might also mean that water has been circulating in and out of the mantle for billions of years, possibly affecting global sea levels, volcanic activity, and even climate change in ways we never considered. There's also a more terrifying possibility. Some scientists fear that these deep movements could be linked to magma chambers rising beneath supervolcanoes. Yellowstone, for example, sits atop one of the most dangerous volcanic systems on Earth. If this shifting mass is somehow feeding these chambers, we could be looking at the slow awakening of a catastrophic eruption. Supervolcanoes don't erupt often, but when they do, the effects are global. They can blanket entire continents in ash, disrupt climate systems for decades, and even trigger mass extinctions. The last known supervolcanic eruption occurred around 74,000 years ago, when Mount Toba in Indonesia erupted with a force strong enough to cause a global volcanic winter. Some scientists believe that such an event nearly wiped out early human populations. If deep Earth movements are linked to magma rising within the mantle, then pressure could be building beneath Yellowstone, Campi Flegrei in Italy, or even Antarctica's hidden volcanoes. These chambers, some of which hold enough magma to fill entire lakes, could be experiencing a slow, imperceptible rise in temperature. Even small shifts in the Earth's mantle can have drastic effects. If magma movements are behind these seismic anomalies, scientists need to determine how close we are to a major geological event. A volcanic eruption of this scale could drastically alter the environment, disrupt global food supplies, and even impact Earth's weather for years. The unsettling part? Some researchers argue that Earth's past supervolcanic eruptions may have been preceded by similar deep Earth anomalies, movements we didn't detect because we lacked the technology to do so. Could history be repeating itself? Even stranger, some researchers believe this movement could be linked to shifts in Earth's magnetic field. The planet's core, made mostly of molten iron and nickel, generates the magnetic shield that protects us from harmful solar radiation. In recent years, the magnetic field has been acting strangely, with the North Pole shifting faster than ever before. Earth's magnetic field is not static. It weakens, strengthens, and sometimes even flips, reversing north and south poles. These geomagnetic reversals have happened many times in Earth's history, but the process is poorly understood. If the deep Earth mass is affecting the core, it could explain why Earth's magnetic field is behaving unpredictably. Some scientists speculate that the unknown force moving within the mantle is altering the flow of molten metal in the outer core, causing magnetic fluctuations. Is it possible that this unknown force beneath the crust is somehow interacting with the core, altering Earth's magnetism in ways we don't understand? If so, the consequences could be massive, potentially affecting everything from satellite communications to animal migration patterns. Some scientists even speculate that a shift in Earth's core could trigger a weakening of our magnetic field, exposing the planet to more solar radiation. If that happens, power grids, navigation systems, and even human health could be at risk. The most troubling possibility? A complete pole reversal. If Earth's poles flipped tomorrow, our entire navigation system would be thrown into chaos. Birds, whales, and other migratory animals that rely on Earth's magnetic field could struggle to find their way. The exposure to increased solar radiation could also interfere with electronic systems, possibly leading to widespread blackouts. Could this strange movement be a sign that a pole reversal is coming sooner than we think? And if so, what would that mean for life on Earth? Right now, geologists and seismologists are scrambling to figure out what's happening. Advanced seismic imaging, deep Earth scanning, and even satellite observations are being used to map these movements in greater detail. Some scientists are even proposing drilling projects to get a direct look at what's shifting below. The problem? We've never drilled deep enough to reach the lower mantle. The technology required to do so is still in its infancy. The deepest hole ever drilled, the Kola Super Deep borehole in Russia, was just a mere scratch on Earth's surface compared to the thousands of miles separating us from the mantle. But recent advances in seismic imaging and computational modeling may help provide some answers. Scientists are using artificial intelligence to analyze seismic data, hoping to uncover patterns that could give us clues about what lies beneath. These efforts may take years, if not decades, but the answers could change everything we know about our planet. Some researchers are also proposing ways to monitor deep Earth movements using gravity measurements from satellites. By detecting tiny fluctuations in gravity caused by shifting masses beneath the surface, we could get a clearer picture of what's happening below. The question is, will we have enough time to react if these movements are a sign of something catastrophic? Or are we simply watching a natural, slow-moving process that has been occurring for millions of years without our knowledge? This mystery raises fundamental questions. Is Earth more dynamic than we ever imagined? Could hidden forces be shaping our planet in ways we never suspected? And most importantly, are we prepared for what we might discover? If these deep Earth movements are part of a larger cycle, what else could they trigger? One of the biggest concerns is that if this is a long-term process, we may not see its full effects for centuries, or we could be witnessing the beginning of a rapid geological transformation. For now, the movements beneath our feet remain an unsolved puzzle, one that could hold the key to understanding Earth's past, present, and future. Until scientists can get a clearer picture, all we can do is watch, wait, and wonder, what exactly is moving beneath us and why? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain: Earth is far from quiet, and its secrets are still unfolding. So, what do you think? Could it be a lost continent, a hidden ocean, or something we haven't even imagined yet? Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.